Most people think of zebras, they think of a horse with black and white stripes. Zebras are far more fascinating than that. Welcome to this vlog. My name is Nancy from Kenya, and today we are going to read about zebras. Zebras. They are among Africa's most recognizable animals, yet scientists are still debating some of the reasons behind their famous stripes. Even more surprising, every zebra requires a unique stripe pattern that has never been duplicated, just like a human fingerprint. In this video, you will discover where zebras live, the different species found across Africa, and one incredible fact that most people have never heard of before. So, where are the zebras found? Zebras are native only to Africa. There are 3 living species. Species number 1 is the plain zebra. These are the most common zebras. They are found across Eastern and South Africa, including Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and South Africa. Species number 2 is the gravy zebra. These are the largest zebra species. Today, it survives mainly in the northern Kenya with a small population in Ethiopia. It is endangered. Species number 3, we have the mountain zebra. This lives in the dry mountainous regions of Namibia and some parts of South Africa. Interestingly, Botswana loves the plain zebras so much that it appears on the country's coat of arms. Okay, why do zebras have stripes? For decades, scientists argued about the purpose of zebras' stripes. Were they camouflage? Did they confuse predators? Did they help zebras stay cool? So, today one of the strongest scientific explanations is that stripes help reduce attacks from biting flies such as horseflies. So studies have shown that these insects land on zebras less often than on solid colored animals. The stripes may also help predators struggle to focus on a single zebra when an entire herd is running. Imagine hundreds of moving black and white patterns all blending together. And here is another surprise. Zebras are actually black-skinned animals. The white stripes are areas where pigment is absent. The secret social life of zebras. Zebras are highly social animals. A group of zebras is sometimes called a dazzle. Plain zebras live in family groups led by a stallion, several mares, and their foals. These families can join together into enormous herds numbering thousands of animals. When danger approaches, zebras don't simply run. They often form protective circles around vulnerable members of the herd, facing outward toward predators like lions and hyenas. Their teamwork is one reason they've survived on the African savanna for millions of years. The amazing fact most people don't know about zebras. The fact that surprises even many wildlife enthusiasts. Scientists in Kenya have created a zebra identification system using stripe patterns, much like facial recognition software for humans. Because every zebra's stripes are unique, researchers can identify and track individual animals from photographs without tagging them. Think about that. A zebra's body naturally carries its own ID. Researchers can photograph a zebra years apart and still recognize the same exact animal for its stripe arrangement. This technology is helping conservationists monitor endangered gravy zebras in Kenya. Most people know fingerprints identify humans. Few realize zebras effectively carry their fingerprints across their entire bodies. So, zebras are much more than striped horses. They are African specialists that live across grassland, savannas, and mountains. Their stripes may help protect them from biting insects. Every individual has a completely unique pattern, and scientists can now use these patterns to track animals in the wild. The next time you see a zebra, remember you are looking at an animal whose entire body functions like a living fingerprint. How cool is that? And in the vast landscapes of Africa, no two are exactly alike. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe for more fascinating wildlife stories from around the world. See you on my next episode.